Hello children, class 2 English 1. So till today we have completed 12 chapters from unit 1, right class 2? So today is test paper 1 that you have to do as exercises, that what you have learned that you have to remind in these exercises, right? So let me see how much you have understood from this chapter, right? 1 to 12, this exercise, this unit test paper 1 will cover units chapters 1 to 12. Understood children? So to do this all, you must know the previous exercises from 1 to 12 what I taught you. So scene number 1, A. Pick out the nouns from the following sentences and say whether they are proper or common, right? So before, to find out the proper and common noun, you must know what are proper noun and what are common nouns. Many times I used to tell you when I am just giving you any exercises about noun, proper nouns. Yes, the proper name of person, place or things, they are called proper nouns, like Rita, Joygaon, India, right? Proper name, that is proper noun. And common nouns, common name of persons, things, anything like countries, schools, boys, students. The proper name is not given there. Such kind of nouns are called common nouns. So this way you have to find out the proper and the common noun. Okay, first of all, read the sentence. Number 1, he went to the dentist last Thursday. Now first of all, you have to find out how many nouns are here. Okay, see here, dentist and Thursday, right? 2 nouns are here. Now the kinds of nouns: dentist common noun, Thursday proper noun, right? Number 2, the Qutub Minar is in Delhi and the Dal Lake is in Kashmir. So here how many nouns are here in this number 2? Right, Qutub Minar. First of all, you have to find out the nouns. Then you have to distinguish between the common and proper noun. Qutub Minar, Delhi, Dal Lake, Kashmir. See children, Qutub Minar, proper noun, right? Delhi, proper noun. Dal Lake, proper noun. Kashmir also proper noun. See how many proper nouns are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Qutub Minar, Delhi, Dal Lake and Kashmir, right? These 4 all are proper noun. Why proper noun? Why it is not common noun? Because the proper name of the place is given here. That's why these nouns are called proper noun, right? If monument only written there, if city only written there, right? If only lake written there, right? So that time it will be the common. But here the proper name of the place is given. That's why these nouns are proper noun. Understood? Now number 3, Jane went to the shop down the street to buy some butter. Jane, first of all, I told you already and I aware you underline the nouns. Before finding out the types, underline the nouns first. Jane, shop, right? Street, butter. Jane, name of the proper person, proper noun. Shop, common noun, right? Street, common noun. Butter, proper noun. Here, the kitten played with a ball of wool. Number 3, I repeat it. Jane went to the shop down the street to buy some butter. Jane, proper noun. Shop, street and butter, common noun. Right? Number 4, the kitten played with a ball of wool. See the nouns? Kitten, ball, wool. Kitten, ball, wool. These all are common nouns. Number 5, Cinderella sat by the fire and thought that the grand party at the palace. Cinderella, see how many nouns? Cinderella, fire, party, palace. Only Cinderella is proper noun, and then fire, party and palace, these 3 are common nouns. Number 6, Varun fed the goldfish in the tank. Varun, common proper noun. Goldfish and tank, common noun. Number 7, Leo wanted some money to buy a little rabbit for a pet. Leo, proper noun, and then money, rabbit, pet. These 3 are common noun. Understood, children? So second one is number B, underline the adjectives in the following sentences, right? So before beginning this exercise, you must know about the adjectives. What are adjectives? Describing words are called adjectives. Adjectives always describe noun, pronouns, right? Noun, the person, place and the things, right? See here in number 1, the giant had big feet and needed large shoes. See, what kind of feet had giant? Big feet. So, the feet is described by the word adjective big. And what needed? Large shoes needed. Right, the things. Describing about the things. How the shoes should be? Large. So, here in number 1, large and big are adjectives. Right, children? So, number 2, Shaima was happy because she had got a new computer. Here also, how is Saima? Happy. So, happy also adjective, right? And new computer. How is the computer? New. Describing about thing, describing about person, right? So, let us go to number 3. And in number 3, we had a sweet dish made of fresh fruits and creamy custard. See here, we had a sweet dish. Right? How is the dish? Sweet. Sweet dish. Made of fresh fruits. Fruits described by this word fresh. How is the fruit? Fresh. Right? And for creamy custard. How is the custard? Creamy. Yes. Here in number 3, sweet, fresh and creamy are adjectives. Right, now number 4, the poor woodcutter had to feed his hungry children. Here, how is the woodcutter? Poor, right? To feed his hungry children. What kind of children? Hungry. How are the children? Hungry, right? So this hungry and poor, two are adjectives here. Now number 5, the little kitten looked up with its shiny round eyes. Little, right? Shiny and round. These 3 are adjectives here. Now number 6, the huge troll had long arms and a funny small head on his short neck. Huge troll, huge. Long arms, long. A funny small head. Funny small head on his short neck. Short. These are the adjectives which describes the nouns. Right. Number 7. Rai is a shy girl with a beautiful voice. How is the girl? Shy. Right. How is the voice? Beautiful. So these are the adjectives. Understood, children? Now number C. Pick out the nouns and adjectives from the list given below and fill in the columns. I repeat. Pick out the nouns and adjectives from the list given below and fill in the columns. So in the columns, the words are given here: cupboard, deep, piano, wealthy, heavy, brother, horse, thin, shiny, sharp, angry, book, cottage, train, girl, pretty. Right. So from these words, you have to pick out the nouns and adjectives. Adjectives this side and nouns this side. So first of all, it will be easy for you to find out the nouns, right? Sorry. So let's go through this first column. Cupboard, noun. Yes, you have to write here. Deep, adjective. Piano, noun. Wealthy, adjective. Heavy, adjective. Brother, noun. Horse, noun. Thin, adjective. Shiny, adjective. Sharp, adjective. Angry, adjective. Book, noun. Cottage, noun. Train, noun. Girl, noun. Pretty, adjective. Should I repeat? Okay, let me repeat it. Cupboard, noun. Deep, adjective. Piano, noun. Wealthy, adjective. heavy, adjective, brother, noun, horse, noun, thin, adjective, shiny, adjective, sharp, adjective, angry, adjective, book, noun, cottage, noun, train, noun, girl, noun, pretty, adjective. Understood, children? You don't have to do anything, just you have to find out from here nouns and adjectives. Understood? So, next exercise number D, that is underline the verbs in the following sentences. Mention whether they are in the past or present tense. Right? Past or present means present without ed. To remember you very easy. Just like chase only, sit only, tail only, right? Isn't it? Cry. So these are all are in present form, right? But when you will write it into past form, then ed will added there. You have already learned this. Now let us find it out from this exercise. The policeman chased the thief. See, first of all, try to find out the verb. Action doing words are called verb, right? So chased, this is the verb. Now which form you have to find out, present or past? Ed is given there, right? So you can easily find it out. It is past, right? If it will be in present, then it will be only chase, not chased. Okay, children? Now number 2, Geeta folds her clothes neatly and puts them in the cupboard. Now find out the verbs. First of all, Geeta folds, this is also verb, neatly, and puts. So 2 verbs are here. Folds, puts. So is it in past form? If it will be in past form, it will be added ed, right? So both are not in past form, not ed. But sometimes this kind of verb, the put, cut, it won't take ed. Always its form is only put only. Here not ed, right? So these both verbs are in present form, folds and puts. Understood? Now number 3, my mother makes delicious dosas. Delicious dosas. See the verb, find out the verb makes, right? So it is present or past? Obviously, yes, it is present. If it will be in past, it will be made, M-A-D-E, made. But it is not in that form. This is in present form. So you have to write it present form. Number 4, Barun waited near the gate for his uncle. See, first of all, find out the verb. Where is the verb? Waited, right? Wait verb is in the past form. Ed is here. So this is in the past form. More verb there? No. Number 5, Jane switched on the television for the news. See here, not only switch will be in present form, but it is in the past form. Switched, ed, right? So this is in the past form of verb switched, right? Now number 6, Nina filled the kettle with water. See, where is the verb? Filled, right? If it will be only fills, then it will be in the present form, but it takes ed also, right? So it is in the past form. Number 7, Leo fed the little rabbit every day, right? Leo fed, this is also in past form, right? If it will be in present, then it will be feeds. F-E-E-D-S, feeds, right? But this is in past form, fed, F-E-D, fed. Okay, children, you understood past and present form of the verb. How to find it out. Now let's go in next exercise, that is number E. Pick out the common nouns and write them in the correct column to show whether they refer to one or many, right? Or singular or plural form. Okay. The gardener planted the seedlings in the bed he had made. Now see, here is a box. If it is in singular form, only one, then you have to write here. If it is in plural or many, more than one, that you have to write here in many side. Okay. So in number 1, the gardener planted the seedlings in the bed he had made. Gardener, single, only one. So you have to write here gardener, right? Planted seedlings, seedlings in plural form, right? So you have to write in the place of many in this box here, seedlings. Number 2, the cows grazed in the field. Cows, plural form, many cows here, this side, and field, singular, here in this side, singular form, 1. 3, the days were sunny this week. Days, many, right? Plural form. Week, only one, this side. Number 4, Rohan put his books and pencils in his bag. Books, many, side. Pencils also in many. Bag, only one, singular side. Understood, children, how to find out? Okay, now second last. Number A, fill in the blanks with am, is, are, was, or were, right? In present, put am, is, are. In past, was, or were. I dash not to fill this am, is, are, was, or were. You have to read the sentence first, whether it is in past form or not. I dash not very tall last year. See? Past form, right? So what you have to put here? I was not very tall last year. Understood, children? It will be wrong if you will write I am not very tall last year, because the time is here, which is past one, right? So I was not tall last year. Number 2, I dash quite tall now. Now means present. So I am quite tall now. Number 3, India dash a wonderful country. India is a wonderful country. Number 4, I dash happy because I have a new bicycle. Right? I am happy because I have a new bicycle. Number 5, he dash absent from school today. He is absent from school today. Number 6, they dash all present in the school yesterday. Yesterday, past. They were all present in school yesterday. They were all present in school yesterday. We dash all here today. We are all here today. We are all here today. Now number G, write the female words of the following. Uncle, aunt, bull, cow, tiger, tigress. I repeat, uncle, aunt, bull, cow, tiger, tigress. Last one, write the male words of the following. Daughter, son, queen, king, lioness, lion. I repeat, daughter, son, queen, king, right? Lioness, lion. So children, I have finished this test paper also. We have completed up to unit 12 and test paper exercise also. Now the test time. So for the test, I'll give you syllabus and I'll mention you in notice 2 when I'm going to take your test. Okay, but be well prepared for your test. Now many exercises, not only from the single, from 1 to 12, any chapters I'll give you for test. Understood, children? I hope you understood, right? So till then, stay happy, stay safe. This much only for today's. Going to meet you soon in our next class. Bye children. Thank you.